If your day is wall to wall, you're not productive. You're drowning. And the reason you can't think clearly? It's not a lack of effort, it's lack of space. We've been sold the lie that a packed schedule equals success, that if your calendar isn't full, you're falling behind. But the most powerful ideas, they're born in the margins. Not in the rush, but in the room between. White space isn't wasted space. It's where your clarity lives. It's the mental breath between tasks. It's the moment to pause, reflect, and decide what actually matters before jumping into the next thing. So today, don't just schedule the grind, schedule the gap. Make room for margin. Make space for sanity. Block 15 minutes of nothing. Say no to the extra meeting. Step outside without your phone. This isn't avoidance, it's alignment. You're designing your day on purpose. This is MIA, motivation, intention, action. Because success isn't found in how much you cram into your day. It's found in how well you protect your space within it.